Welcome back to the channel, Sagitnet 2. I'm eyeing on this muffler. Well, kinda muffler. That's a Vibrant ultra quiet resonator that I put on and use it as a muffler. I said it earlier that I wanted to tone it down a little bit, so I got me a muffler. This is what I'm gonna use, Yonaka. So hopefully this will tone it down a little bit, in a way or somewhat. But I was thinking, will it decrease or increase the horsepower by doing that? But it's okay. If it adds up or decrease the horsepower, I'm okay with it. And it's a good experiment. So that's today's episode. I'm going to put this on, tone it down a little bit. So the plan is so it will be somewhat here. It won't be in an angle anymore. I'm going to put it on straight. But for some of you guys that wanted a customized muffler, when you go to a muffler shop, if you want to pay someone, get a deal. Talk to them and see if it's okay for them to put the muffler how you like it. Some will work and some will not. If you tell them up front that you're giving him extra, like a tip, and you just tell him how you wanted it, yeah, work with those guys, because some don't care. They just want to weld it and cut you loose. But what I'm talking about is when you want a customized muffler, do not put this horizontally level. From the front to the back. Always give it in an angle. It's like it's inclined. This will be facing up a little bit, and the front side will be facing down. So when you look at from the side, it will be somewhat like this, that the front is lower than the back. And then when you look at from the back, it makes the muffler a lot bigger. It gives a little bit of finesse or something. It's something that attracts your eyes. That's what I noticed on all the mufflers. I've been looking around on a muffler, say, hey, how come they never put those muffler like horizontally level? So if you put this horizontally level from the front to the back, all you see is this. But if you have this in an angle, now you have like a three-dimensional, something like that. So yeah, that's my tip for some of you guys. When you go to a muffler shop, talk to them if they are willing to do what you want on your setup. Okay? So it looks like I am going to cut it right here, somewhere here. Hopefully it will line up. Old one is out. First thing I must do is came up with a hanger and then weld it, and for the back it will just follow. Got it centered. So you can see the back. There's the pipe. And let's see what it looked like from behind. Got it in the center. I got the back hangers tack welded for now. And I got the muffler in a little bit tilted in the forward side. And for the forward side, something like this. This is the gap that I have to work on. So I just need to measure the biggest, which is 1¼ for the back. That's like a quarter. And this will be the adjoining section. So it will be like that. I'm gonna transfer my measurement here, cut this off, and it should slot right in. Mark it. That way I could tack it in place like so. Cool. So just need to weld them together. Let's give this a try. Got it all welded. It's not for show. Okay, now I just need to realign. This way I can tack it all together. Yeah. Get some light. Let's check the back. See if it's all straight. Yeah. I'm all good there. Got everything welded. Let's try it on. This one here, I'm gonna wait. I think I'm gonna paint this. What a lousy weld, man. But it will do. I might just shave it and then paint it. Let's see. I need to tweak it a little bit tilted. So. Okay. Oh man. And it will be welded like so. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take it off and weld it. Got it all finished up. Time to put it on. Yeah. Let's get tighten this bad boy. Right. All right. Put the wheels, lower it down. Yeah, I got what I wanted.
Everything's tight.
Let's try it. I like it. Yeah, the sound is, it's got some muscle on it, not like the Vibrant 2 resonators that I have on there. That thing sounded like a trumpet, but on high RPM that thing, it sounds great. But this one, yeah, I like it. Cool. Folks, that is another 50 Shades of Green G23BK exhaust notes, and that's a Yonaka, a 3-inch Yonaka, full 3-inch exhaust pipe with Vibrant resonator, a bottle style at the middle, and a Yonaka muffler. This is where I'm going to close this video. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy the sounds of the another G23BK Shades of Green. Bye everyone. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Sounds good.
Alright.